peasants. What did you just call us? I can't wait to build my new mansion here. Wow. Huh? Mansion? Oh, you dropped your jaw, honey. Oh, keep your sign off my property.
This is my property.
Not anymore.
I guess it's hers. Oh, it's not fair. You said it, girl.
Clean it up.
I'm so hungry.
Now, what should I build here? Modern chic? No. That's not bad. Nope. Will you subscribe to help me decide? I'm gonna need professional help.
You rang?
Are you the highest paid engineer in town?
Of course! Would I be wearing gold if I wasn't?
You are hired. Here is the down payment.
Whoa!
I tip generously. I need it done ASAP.
So what am I working with?
Who turned off the lights? Whoa! Oh! Huh? It's just a box. This just gave me an idea. I can make a home out of this box. Look, I made it myself. Oh, you're ridiculous. My home is not gonna be that shabby. Quickly, over here.
Here you go.
Don't come any closer. Here.
Paying up front, I see. Nice doing business with you. I'll start right away. First, I need to lay the bricks down. Then, another layer on top until I build a wall.
Perfect.
I'll be done in no…
Oh, you are hurt. You know what can fix that? Money.
Hey, that's more like it.
Ooh,
It's done.
not bad. Now, go.
Ooh, I knew a cupboard would be this heavy. Huh? What am I gonna do? Oh, I know. A roll of tape will do the trick. Watch me build a house with just tape and a dream.
And that's the last one.
Yeah. Huh? That's it? That is so ugly. You are fired. It is so brown. It needs a sprinkle of gold. I'll grate coin all over the bricks. See that? That's the color we want. A splash of rich gold glitter. Wow! It is finally perfect. But one more thing. The roof needs to be gold too. I'll dip the roller into the paint. Then I'll roll it all over the roof. And there you have it. My very own golden house. What does it even mean?
It's upside down.
Thanks, I get it now. Now let's see if I can flip this house. Then I'll add a tire here and one on the other side. Awesome! Whoa! Oh, isn't that a bit too much?
Over here. Just put it right over this house. Here is something for your work. Oops. Do you take checks?
Whoa! Wow, a golden bar? I know what to do with you. It can hold up my home for a couple of inches. Home, sweet home. Well, I better get right to work. I'll lay the gold bars side by side. Then I'll roll a pin over it to make a shingle. I'll do it a couple of times and voila! A roof made of gold. Classy, isn't it? I'm so excited to decorate. Oh. Huh? No, you don't. Are you kidding me? Stop it! Stay down. Whew. Yeah. That does it! You're gonna stay down whether you like it or not. That That's what you get for making a house out of cardboard. I'll add a window so I don't miss that golden hour.
Hey, I want a window too. I want the fences held,
On my way.
and I want it now. Oh well, any ideas?
A couple.
I just want it expensive.
Say no more. What color do you want for the walls?
Oh, how exciting! They're all so nice, but my heart says only one thing. Pink!
Great choice.
It's perfect! You can just feel how expensive it is.
Only the best materials for you. I can't finish up here without a window. You know what? Make that 2. What do you think?
It's just what I wanted. Bravo! Here is your payment.
Whoa! This can feed me for life.
Bye!
I won't stay put. You leave me no choice. No! Here, take my money. Take it all.
Now let's put windows on this thing.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
You know what this house is missing? Lights! I'll stick a LED strip below the roof. Pink lights are the way to go.
Haha! Did somebody say lights?
Turn it on! Somebody!
Can't even turn the lights on yourself?
Oh, great! I should call the gardener. Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, come here.
You need plants together? Here's some rare golden palms, all the way from the Amazon.
Wow! Awesome! I'll pay you a generous amount for them. Put it on the card.
Payment accepted. Till next time.
It's all coming together.
Gold plants? She has everything. Maybe I can plant my own. Ew! That's disgusting! Hey, you are used to dirt, right? Can you put soil in the pots?
Oh, sure.
I'll take a handful and drop them in. Your plants are gonna be thriving. You can go now. Hug. At least clean your hands first.
Oh, I like them dirty. You did not have to do that.
Go be dirty somewhere else. Time to get to work. I may not have gold plants, but I have the prettiest flowers on the block. And that's better than gold. Now all I have to do is put them all around the house. My house is ready for visitors. Huh? What?
I want plants too.
Good thing I can DIY my way through anything. I'll put a sponge in this box. Then I'll stick these cardboard flowers in it. It's looking more like a garden, isn't it?
Wow!
This seems like a good spot. All done, but I know what is missing. I lay a cardboard flat. Then I'll draw a bulb on it using a pen. Now I'll color it with a permanent marker, and voila! We have a bulb, but one is not enough for me. I have to make them in different colors. That way, my tiny home will be colorful. It's beautiful! Check this out! I know what we're missing. A fence. Nothing beats a good old white picket fence. It's gonna look so good with the roses. Now, this is what I call a home. She probably will notice if I take a piece. I'll give it back before she knows it. All I need to do is trace it on the cupboard. And we're done with phase 1. Thanks! That turned out pretty well. You can't even tell the difference. Pretty cute, huh?
You mean pretty awful. Thanks for showing me what not to do. Oh!
You want a fence, madam?
Gold. Install it.
As you wish. That'll be 10 grand.
Do you take gold?
Boy, do I?
Just take it.
All right, no take-backs.
Bye.
Huh? Hey! This isn't a dome, you know? Oh, you're not gonna survive this, mister. Yeah! These guys make a great pathway. I love it.
Genius! But I want my pathway to be gold. I'll sprinkle some gold magic dust on the path, and a golden pathway will appear. Great job! How about a test run? Oh, it's not perfect.
That was my chance. She won't know a thing. I gotta work fast if I want that expensive pathway too. Please, magic dust, work for me. It created a money pathway. It is everything I've ever dreamed of. Thank you.
I've got to fix that. Where is the tree? My dad's gonna be so mad.
Oh, poor girl. I have to help her. 911?
Whoops, the tree.
I didn't do anything.
It's what so? Well, see about that.
Yeah, you are not gonna find anything there.
What about on you? You better not be hiding anything in here. The tree.
Here you go.
Your tree, madam.
Thank you.
As for you, you'll be fined $1,000. Pay up.
It's not fair. $1,000? Is this a joke? Whew, the weather is unbearable. I wish I had AC in here, but all I got are these sunnies. Now that's what I'm talking about. So, do you want to learn more study hacks? Then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.
Time for my daily dose of vitamin D. And how about I have fun in a ball pit while I'm at it? But first, sunbathing.
Wow, don't mind if I do.
Woohoo! What the? Get out of my pool! This is insane!
Why, you little… Whoa!
Please sign this!
Aw, sure.
Can we get a selfie? Over here! Quiet!
Sure, I'll sign this for you. Oh, wow, thank you.
I'm watching you.
Whatever. I'll give you something to watch. La 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 la, I'm working late cause I'm a singer.
What's going on?
La 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 la. You got something to say,
keep
Blondie?
it down. Nobody wants to hear you sing.
Well, tough luck, Grandma.
What seems to be the problem? Officer, she's trespassing in my property.
I'd take a closer look if I were you.
Looking good so far. Fake? You were arrested for falsifying documents.
Oops, you got me. This is gold.
You were going away for a long time.
Wow! So this is college life. I can't believe I'm finally here. Let me see that. But this is my dorm. Great. I'm rooming with a nerd. Just stay out of my way. Go ahead. Oh, okay. It's not opening. You're making me nervous. Move! I don't need a key. Was that so difficult? It's not what I imagined. It's disgusting. It needs a little work. But it has character. You're kidding, right? I've seen dumpsters that look better than this. It's not that bad. Let's get to work. Oh, we're doing this? Who else is gonna do it? Ugh, this is gross. Maybe I can keep a spider as a pet. What's this? Boring. It's going in the trash. Ow! Careful! Watch what you're doing! Do you want some trouble? Huh? I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, I thought so. Wow, she's so intense. This needs to go. Ugh, it stinks. Hey! Who turned out the lights? Help! I'm trapped! Ah! A ghost! A ghost! Ah! Ouch! Come on, little guy. Wow, that's a lot of garbage. It's looking better already. I'm proud of us, but we're totally not friends. I need a rest. Do you mind? Ugh, I'm regretting this already. You think you're so cool. Oh, I can sit here. Whoa! That was embarrassing. Look at this! I think I have an idea! First, I need a waste paper basket. I'll wrap some cardboard around it and stick it in place. Then I'll place a circle piece of cardboard on top. Next, I'll apply a circle of glue to the top. That should do it. I can stick the tube to the cardboard. I'll add more tubes of different sizes. Now I need to paint it. Ooh, this is fun! I love this color! It's gonna look great! I'll let the paint dry, and it's ready! This book is so interesting. Hey! Check this out! What is that? It's our new chair! What do you think? Well, I like it, and it's comfortable. Huh? Is that an old tire? Where did that come from? Keep your hands off my tire. I have big plans for it. First, I need to put it on a flat surface. I'll start by painting a wavy line on the tire. I'll go all the way around. Almost done. I'll just join it up. I'll let that dry. Now I need purple paint. I'll use this to paint the top half of the tire. But I don't want to go over the white line, so I need to be precise. This is the last part. That's one half done. I'll let the paint dry, then switch colors. I'll flip the tire over and paint the other half yellow. I'll use a smaller brush for the tricky parts. The yellow is a good contrast to the purple. Okay, I'll let that dry. Now I need these pins. I'll stick them into the tire. I want to space them out evenly. Then I'll attach a chain to one of the pins. Then I can loop it around the rest. Just like this. I'll fill the center of the tire with a blanket. This will give it some padding. And that's it. Ah, this is so relaxing. Ooh, what's that? It's my chair. Pretty cool, huh? If you say so.